Hi. So before we jump into machine learning, one last thing that I want to discuss is pandas. In machine learning, we deal with huge volumes of data. So to analyze that data better, we use pandas. Pandas basically provides us a way to look at our dataset in the form of a table, just like we have our Excel sheets. It also makes some of our tasks like manipulating our data very easy. Okay, so एक dataset ले लेते हैं. Here we have a dataset of seeds. I have total 210 rows, right? So I have 210 rows, which means there are 210 seeds. 210 seeds का हमारे पास data है. Each seed can belong to either type 1, type 2 और type 3. Last column में जो हमारे पास है ये हमारे पास seeds के types हैं. Type 1, type 2 and type 3. Out of these 210, first 70 belong to type 1, next 70 belong to type 2 and last 70 belong to type 3. For each seed, I have 4 features, right? So I have 4 features, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Each seed has 4 features and then the last column stands for type of that seed. Basically what we are supposed to do is create a machine learning model which is able to predict type of seeds based on the features. But that is something we will look at later. As of now, let's see how we can use pandas to analyze our data. ये जो फाइल है seeds data, ये एक CSV फाइल है जिसको मैंने अपने फोल्डर में रख लिया. So I'll be working with pandas.pynb and seeds dataset को मैंने same फोल्डर में रख लिया. Import pandas as pd. To import my file, I'll be using pd.readcsv function. Seeds dataset.csv header is equal to none. Okay, so if I look at seeds, I have imported that file 0 to 209. Okay, we have 210 rows. Okay, so if I check the type of seeds, I'll get pandas.core.frame.dataframe. Basically, this is a data frame. We call this data frame. ये table को हम लोग data frame बोलते हैं. Okay, so from next session, let's start analyzing our data. Thank you.